Gotta have some windshield wipers. The ones I got, they're not really clearing the windshield that good when I'm driving in the rain. Let me test them out right quick. See what we got here. Let me do a little sprinkle test. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's see. Yeah, they look good. That windshield look real clear. Y'all can see that? Always keep you a set of spare wiper blades. Always, especially in the wintertime. Wintertime, snow, ice build up. Gotta have good wiper blades. These blades will probably last me till if we get some snow, probably till maybe the end of January. The ones I had on, I think I had those on since like September. Maybe yeah, the middle of September. So about every 3.5 months, change them out. Hey! Man, who is that ugly guy right there, man? He needs some facial hair. Look. Say hey. Say hey, family. Say I'm outside with Daddy helping him work on the truck. Say hey, Grandma. Hey, Annie. Hey, Pop Pop. Man, made a mistake and tried to trim my beard yesterday. Ended up cutting all my damn facial hair off. Woo! It's rough. Looking like a straight up Chester the chicken. They didn't pluck me. I lost about 5 pounds on my face when I cut that beard off. I don't think I lost no age though. I think I look older without facial hair. I think I look a little bit older. This is my little side compartment. Keep me a couple of jugs of antifreeze, coolant. Got one. The second one back there. I think this is, oh no, yeah, I got 3 of them. I got 3 bottles of antifreeze, coolant. Got me I think that's a gallon of 15W40. Yeah, good stuff. Rarely had to put oil in the truck though. This is my little fix-it toolkit right here. If I ain't got it in here, I ain't worrying about it. Let's see how I open it though. All right, see what we got. Let me take it over here where it ain't so noisy. All right, so let's see what we got. Emergency multi-purpose Bic grill lighter. How about that last week? I don't know why I got these. It's like fire starters, but they were on sale for like $1. I got them last week when I got the Bic lighter too. Somebody had told me you can't never go wrong with having duct tape. You can always hook something up till you can get down the road. Hell, I think you could probably put duct tape on the tire, man. That shit will hold the air in there till you got another tire. I got adjustable wrench. It's kind of old. I need to get a new set of wrenches. Flathead. Milwaukee edition. Zip ties. They say zip ties, you can fix anything with zip ties out here too, man. You can tie up something, you can rig it up, keep rolling. Another adjustable wrench. I don't know, this is I think this is a Harbor Freight tool wrench. Another flathead from Walmart. This is a magnetic thing that grabs screws. Little pocket knife, cut the duct tape with. This is electrical tape. You can use this on the motor and the hoses and stuff like that as well with the duct tape. But yeah, that's about it. That's about all the tools I got, man. I don't have an extensive list of tools out here on the road. I need to invest in some more tools though. I probably will pretty soon, probably at the beginning of the year. Probably go ahead and break down and buy a whole tool set. Sockets and wrenches. But so far, man, that's pretty good. Thank God I haven't had to fix nothing. Okay, so I just seen this the other day when I had got the level 1 inspection in St. Charles, Missouri. I was looking for that sticker right there. That's a commercial vehicle safety acknowledgement. I passed it. And I think once I go across the interstate, they can pick that up because I got waved past like three scale stations coming out of Florida since I had that, and usually they say truck must enter scale house. So that's a good thing, man. It saves me a lot of time, and I'm headed back to Florida. I'm headed right back to Florida. I got to be there on Monday morning at 3 o'clock. So yeah, I got to be there at 3 o'clock on Monday. I'm done driving for the day. Today is November the 22nd. It's about like 9:30. I'm at this truck stop right here in Port Barry, Louisiana. I stopped here last Saturday. Man, I've been running these quick turnarounds, man. I've been running quick turnarounds. I was here last Saturday. I got here last Saturday. No, I got here last Sunday. Last Sunday I got here. I got here like 2 in the afternoon last Sunday, and drove it all the way into Jacksonville, Florida, Monday. But this time it's a shorter trip. This is like maybe 980 something miles. I got today. I picked it up last night at 11:30 at the yard. I drove 427 miles today. I'll start driving tonight around 11:30 again. I'll probably get as far as right there on the border of right there where 75 goes south down to the boot of Florida. And then I have another 3 hours to drive Monday morning, which basically put me there right on time. And another thing, I was talking to another driver, and Simon, we're talking about how these drivers nowadays, since it's the holidays, it's a lot more frequent fender benders and run-ins because it's a lot more traffic on the highway. So we were talking, and just came to my head, the best time to drive during the holidays is overnight, or like right as the sun's going down, so you can drive most of your shift like through the night when most traffic is, you know, it's a lot less traffic. So if any of you drivers is watching this video, y'all be safe, and if you can, you know, hit the highways, interstates whenever. People, usually four-wheelers, don't really be moving around too much, but sometimes you can't avoid moving around when four-wheelers move around. But, you know, just do the best you can. This is a show about me, Senior Love Daddy, the one and only. I look crazy without a beard. Crazy. All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. Coming at you on 108.9 FM. We love radio. Last on your dial, but first in your heart. Check y'all later. That's the truth.